Welcome to Violin Adventures number 128. Well, we've got a short one this week because we have little Freddie doing his job, and then we did get the violin set up, so we'll hear some of that. And otherwise, this week was catch-up time, getting taxes and other things done that you don't want to see on camera. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy this episode.
I'm working. I'm working really hard. See, this is my tool. See, I'm working really hard. I'm gonna cut down this tree. See, I working. I have a saw, and I'm gonna cut this tree down. See me? See, I'm getting my work done. Because I'm big.
Well, there's where the tree was. Freddie did a good job. He cleaned all that up and hauled it away. Setting up the new violin and playing it. Okay, behind the scenes, I've been working on our violin. Got the pegs in and the holes drilled. Got the upper nut and the lower saddle on. And cut a sound post and a bridge. So now what am I doing? I am marking out where the notches will go on the F holes. So I've marked the proper distance, and now I'm gonna mark it off this way too, so that we agree in both places. And I'll bring you in so you can watch. Okay, the violin is all set up, and so I'm going to play just a little bit for you. I wanted to take it outside, but it's just a little bit wet out there. So I am going to back up here because the volume on this thing is really big, and I don't want it too close to the camera so there's not distortion in the tone. very lively. It's got big tone everywhere. The violin has to still open up. It's not opened up yet. So what's it going to be like when it opens up? Well, I'm going to keep playing this for a couple more weeks. Just get it all, get all the molecules lining up. And because this wood has never, of course, played before, so we have to get the wood used to producing vibrations to create this beautiful sound. So you'll hear more from this guy in the next couple of weeks, so I'm not going to play a lot right now. So next week we hope to jump in and we're going to start a new project. So make sure you tune in to hear what the new project might be. Okay, here it is Friday afternoon. We had a good rain last night and our green Kentucky is back. Everything's green again. The sky is a bit overcast. Let's go inside and find out what's going on. Here we are in the shop. Here the violin is finished and set up in the white, and I have next to it the sound post tools so that I can make any adjustments. I find that when I set this up, when a new violin is set up, usually the plates expand a bit and we have to make adjustments here and there. So those are out and handy. Freddie has something to say.
Hi, you guys. Did you see me outside? I was working really hard, and this guy came and he helped me take away all the tree. But did you see me out there? I was working really hard. Now this next week, Mom says I have to get busy in the shop. This next week, I have to get busy in the shop because we're starting a new project. But you guys have to keep sending in your projects because I'll be back working on them, okay? Bye.
The Hebrew Minute. Ki ani Hashem lo shaniti. For I am the Lord, or Hashem. I do not change. If you know where this verse is found, please leave it in the comments below. And while you're looking, you might want to read verse 16 and 17. They're awesome verses too. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to all of you coming back and giving me a thumbs up. And thank you to all of you who continually comment in the comment section. I really appreciate it. I love talking to you guys. And if you're working on projects, feel free to send them in. Any kind of project. It's nice to see what other people are doing in their lives. And if you don't know where to send, if you need my email, just ask for it in the comments and I'll give it to you. Until next time, God bless you. Bye. We reached 600 subscribers. Thank you, everyone.